Hello valued viewers, I hope you're all doing very well. Every man's nightmare is an unhappy wife. As they say, unhappy wife, unhappy life. So today we're going to remedy that. And welcome to episode 2 of How to Keep Your Wife Happy. So, for 2 years we've lived in this house now. Welcome to the Supercap and Alison house, by the way. And Alison has been very unhappy because we can't actually keep any of the windows open. If we open the windows, our mad, pretty much suicidal pussycat with a very odd brain jumps out and, well, we have to kind of race after her next door to try and get her back. She's just not really built for the outside world, the same as her brothers and sisters. So we're very happy with having her as an indoor cat, and she's also happy with that. But we really need the ability to open the windows. For 2 years now we've had the windows closed. It gets really hot in summer and can get rather stinky. So it's time to sort the problem. So she's asked me to create a solution of how to be able to open UPVC double glazed windows without letting the pussycat out. Here is attempt 1. I admit it's not very pretty, but it is a first attempt, remember. Rome was not created in a day, valued viewers. And also I'm aware there's not much lighting in here. It is just a basic wooden frame, but the clever bit is, you see, I thought, how do we attach it in the window aperture? Well, my first thought is friction. Friction is our friend. If we look at the bottom here, again, sorry about the lighting, you can see we put it in the light. I've hammered in some rubber strips. You see, obviously we've got chicken wire on the frame, held by zip ties, which is a really stupid idea, but live and learn, okay? And also rubber on the other side. Now, here's the genius bit, okay, very good. You open the window, just imagine the window's open, obviously. We get it in here, get it like that, you've had your shower, blah, 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 my body's now glistening and lovely and clean, and we get it like that, there, you put it like that, you put it just right, just the right size. Okay, you push it in, and it jams itself in. Now, Supercap just has enough strength to sort of undo it. Guess who doesn't? 2 kilos of pussycat, which we'll go and have a look at in a minute. There. Okay, so she's jammed in nicely. She can't get out. But the wife was not happy with this. Not good enough. Too ugly, apparently. I don't think it's too ugly. I think it's beautiful. But my ideas of engineering are different from most people. Next, let's go and have a look at the culprit. This is Pickles, the pussycat. Full name, what is her full name? Lieutenant J. Pickles, Terrell. Hello Pickles, how are we today? She's fine. She's very quiet, she's very nervy, the vet calls her scatty. That's exactly what she's like, but she's also incredibly naughty. Possibly the naughtiest cat in the world, certainly the naughtiest cat I've ever had. She's very happy, she's tiny, like a miniature pussycat. She's actually fully grown now, but she still doesn't dare go anywhere near other pussycats because of her tiny little pea head. Isn't that right, Poo-Poo? She's not, no, she knows we're filming and she's like, Dada, you won't look at my face. Anyway, that's the problem, that's Pussycat. Poo-Poo, let me see those lovely eyes. Yes, who's a boo? Who's a woo-woo Pickles? Anyway, let's go and try again. Welcome back, valued viewers, it's an hour later and we've just had some lunch. It was a very nice lunch as well. Look at this, window fully open and version 2 of the Supercap & Co. Grim Reapers Pussycat-Friendly window cover is up, and look how pretty it is. It's almost getting an approval of prettiness. Watch this. Please work. Yeah. Genius. So what remains on is some Velcro, okay, on the window, and here we have the dude itself. You can see the genius of the invention. Wooden frame covered by like children and cat friendly retainers here to stop you getting cut by the wire. And on the back side is where the genius engineering happens. 2 little pads of male Velcro nailed down for extra security. And that's enough to hold it up.
Sorry.
Yes?
You said you weren't going to get a mess.
Right. Okay. We'll cut that bit out.
You can yes. Look at it in the window frame or in the door frame or somewhere tidy. Right. You promise? Yes.
Promises are important.
And you are about keeping the wife happy.
That's exactly right. That's what the whole episode's about, because there will be men out there, or the other way around, females. I don't want to be all what's it called, chauvinist or anything, but generally it'll probably be this way around. You know, most people. I've been told I have to re-record a bit.
You told them that.
Well, you literally just said that.
Yes. I want you to cut it out.
Yes.
Don't include any mess.
You don't want me to tell them that you made me re-record it?
No.
Just right, okay.
I've then...
That little twitch in my...
You said you were going to make the video.
Yes.
Oh,
right, fine.
But you weren't going to show any mess. You then stood right in front of all the mess and pointed the camera straight at it.
It was just a dirty plate, but fine. Okay, and cut. So, we're in another room now for reasons, and this is the finished product. Da da da! There you go. It is wooden framed, and it's screwed together. It has some chicken wire on it, which is much more taut and pretty than before, which I think is interesting. Not interesting, important. I don't actually, but we have little PVC retainers here to make it child and cat friendly, so you don't nip yourself on the edge of the wire. And the genius bit is these strips of Velcro nailed on to give them extra security, just enough force or whatever to keep them in place. Welcome back, valued viewers, to revision 2 or 3 or whatever, to what I consider the final and perfect solution. Look at, no, I said final solution, you know what I mean, the last and perfect solution. Okay, so even, well, let me just grab it off, shall we? Stand by. Ah, the sensation of the Velcro. So that was the frame, kind of as it is, and this is the new one. It's a bit dirty, haven't cleaned it yet, but ta-da, fully made of UPVC to match existing frame. It's, and I quote, pretty, which is very important obviously. It's solid, it's robust, no squiggly little naughty pussycats going to get round, and that's it. So I've got like 25 more to make, and then we have full window coverage. I hope that helps some of you avoid anger from your wife and or significant other. That's me signing out. I'll see you on the next project.